So hey there and welcome back to another video. In today's quick video we are going to look at Canva, what is it, what it is used for and its key features, all just in a few minutes. So if you have ever wanted to create stunning designs without needing to be a graphic designer, Canva is best for you. So let's dive right in. Um, so if you have ever wanted to know how to go from design to paper, so stick around, it is super simple. Let's jump right into it, but before that make sure to check in the link in the description box, or it can be on the pinned comment. So first thing first, you will want to open up the design you want to print in Canva. So you have to go to canva.com if you are on PC, and if you are on Android or on your iOS, you just simply have to go to App Store or Google Play Store and search for Canva, and there you can see this app with this logo. Make sure to download this one and then download it and log in. So you can also use the pro templates and pro features if you have a premium account, but don't worry, Canva also offers free account and you can use it for free. Let's get started. Now you have to choose the design you want to print in Canva, whether it is a business card or website poster, presentation, or even a set of QR codes like what I have here. So the steps are the same. So as my example, and let's say I want to print out these QR codes and hand them out to people. Now that you have got your design ready, move your cursor up to the top right corner of the screen, like I'm in top left corner, and tap on to create. So from there you have to choose the template you wish to continue with or you want to customize, and you can see this option here. Wait, let me show you this little crown icon called Pro. So these are the basically the premium one. Like if you want to use these templates, then you have to be on Canva premium account, okay? And if you don't have a premium account, don't worry, you just can use the free ones for fully free. So as you can see, I just have tapped onto a template and it is opened for free. So now you can customize these templates according to your needs. If you want to change its color, you can just tap onto this option, and from there you can change it easily. So there you go. So let's change its colors too. Let's choose this. Now if you want to change the image or if you want to delete this image, then you just have to tap onto this delete icon, and here you can see this option uploads. You just simply have to tap on uploads, and from there you can add your images by tapping on upload files, and you can browse your image. Also you can use these images, right? These are here because I previously used them. For example, I'm just going to add this text right here. So that is it. Now if you want to change the background color, you can right click on it and then you can just edit the colors of it, okay? As you can see, this is how at this side you can see this is basically a gradient color, and the upwards it is black. That means this is a gradient color which you can use. For me, this one is nice, pretty much nice. Let's see, make the image a little bit shorter, and this perfect. So this is how you can customize all of them. You can also add elements if you wish to. For example, you can add frames right here. Let's send it to backwards. So this is how you can use it. Now you can wait, let me add an image of it. So this is nice, pretty much nice. By the way, you can create AI made images from here. So just you have to tap onto generate images, and there you go, it will create free AI generated images for you. Wait until it is fully loaded, and then you can use these images for free. for example, this one is pretty much cool. I'm gonna use these images, and now you can add it to your page. So how is it? Let me know. Let's use another element. For Starbucks frame, and there you can see this one is much nicer. Yeah, this one is much nicer. Let's delete this one. So there you go. Now let's send it to backwards, like layer, then send backwards. Now make it duplicates. Okay, now let's send them to backwards again, like these pictures. Okay, wait. So that's perfect. Now let's add this one also to backward. Okay, just now don't edit them anymore. I'm not gonna edit them anymore because this will take a lot of time, and you can just simply edit all the things from here just by simply clicking on them. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. So that's it. Now let me show you how you can print from Canva easily. So as you can see at the top right corner, the text called share here, you just have to tap on the share, and from there you can simply download it. From here you can also tap on to see all. You can publish it to website, you can send it to phone, you can show it to TV, and that is pretty much it. And then download the image first. So this part is important because when you click on download, Canva will give you file format options like this. Let me show you. Tap on to share, then tap on to download, and here you can see the file format. Okay, and here you can see this option called PDF print. If this option gives you the highest quality file with settings optimized for professional printing. And let me go quickly over the key difference. Tap on to PDF print, and then simply tap on to all pages from here. If you want to download all of them, then tap done. Now simply tap on to download, and that's it. There you go. Now print it with your print machine. That's it. And if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.